Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting one external monitor at a time, plug in power and the proper cable or adapter. Once connected, power the monitor and wake your Mac. Open System Settings and go to Displays so you can see signals and options. Make sure the cable is fully seated and the monitor input matches the cable. If Mac OS doesn't show the screen immediately, click Detect Displays. This starts the negotiation between devices and gets you ready for arrangement. Once done with connection, arrange screens in the display's pane so cursor travel matches your desk layout. Drag screens to mirror physical placement. To choose which screen shows the menu bar and dock, drag the white bar to the primary display. This sets focus for apps and screenshots. Make sure to set appropriate scaling or resolution for each monitor so text and UI look crisp. You can also rotate or set night shift and color profiles for accurate color when needed. To finish, position apps where you want them and learn shortcuts. For example, use Mission Control to move windows between spaces and monitors. Make sure Safari or apps that go full screen behave how you expect. Full screen is per display. Before wrapping up, tweak energy and external display lid settings for clamshell mode. If a screen fails to appear, first reconnect cables, then restart your Mac. If that fails, reset SMC or boot in safe mode. That usually resolves driver or handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.